Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Do you ever find that you have some leftover mashed potato and you don't know what to do with it? Well, I'm going to show you an easy recipe to make potato biscuits. This fluffy potato biscuit made with creamy mashed potatoes and topped with a golden layer of grated cheese are the perfect blend of comfort and flavor. They are sure to be a hit with the whole family. For the potato biscuits, we need 3½ cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup of milk, warm, 2 teaspoons of dry active yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, I'm using Himalayan, 2 cups of mashed potato, 1 cup of margarine or butter. I'm using ½ cup of margarine and ½ cup of ghee, also 2 eggs that I'm going to separate. First things first, I'm adding the yeast and the sugar into the warm milk, giving it a stir until it's dissolved, and I'm going to set it aside until it gets foamy. A word of caution here: when you warm up your milk, make sure it's just warm, not hot. Hot milk will kill your yeast and will never work for you. Okay, this is how it looks. I'm going to set it aside and give it 5 to 10 minutes until it gets foamy. However, I'm going to add my margarine and my ghee to the flour, and using this pastry cutter, I'm going to cut first the margarine because my margarine is harder, the ghee is softer. I'm going to cut the margarine into the flour. If you don't have a pastry cutter like this, you can use 2 forks. The flour should look like pea-sized crumbs. Once I did the margarine, then I can add my ghee, which is pretty soft, and I'm going to do the same thing with the ghee. Okay, this is pretty good. So it looks like this. I separated the eggs. I have here 1 egg plus the white from the second one, and I have here the yolk, which I'm going to use to do the egg wash on top before baking. So I'm just gonna whisk this together. That's good. And look at the yeast. It's been 5 minutes. Look how much foam there is. It foamed up really nicely. So this is how it should look, okay? So I'm going to add the potato. Let's not forget the potato. Mix it into the flour, and then I'm going to add here the yeast, and also the egg, and knead into a dough. And the salt. Almost forgot the salt. So I'm going to knead this until it forms into a dough, and then we let it rise for 20 minutes or so. So it's coming together nicely, like that. I'm going to cover it and let it rest for 20 minutes. Flour my board generously, and then take half of the dough roll it out to 1/2 inch thickness. And then using a 2.5 inch cutter, cut into circles, as many as you can. And then once you cut them all out, then we can gather the remnants of the dough and then cut out some more. We are going to place them all on 2 baking sheets lined with parchment paper. The biscuits are all on the pan. I have 2 pans and 30 pieces together. And now I'm going to let them rise for 45 minutes. From the yolk, we are going to make an egg wash by adding a splash of milk and whisking it well together. The biscuits have been resting 45 minutes, and now I'm gonna brush the top of each, and then you can leave it plain like this, or you can grate some cheese. Any hard cheese will be good on it if you like cheese. Who doesn't like cheese, right? I'm going to use my microblade. I love this tool. This is so handy. Perfect for grating cheese, chocolate, shavings, lemon, rind. Goes really fast and so handy to have. Done. In the oven goes 375 for about 20 minutes until nice and golden brown. The biscuits are done and they look absolutely delicious. Let's try one and see how good they are.
So good.
They are fluffy and soft, and with the melted cheese on top. Oh, they are absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe and you are going to give it a try and see how good they are for yourself. If you liked my recipe, please remember to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.